Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
Sit down, sit down. Today we will discuss one sample paper of class 12. Right. Let's see. The first question which is asked is, if f of x equal to log of log x, then find the value of f dash x. Now this question is from derivative and the question is also quite simple. We can easily find the answer to this question. See, if f of x is equal to log of log x, right? How can we find out the derivative? We can find out the derivative using chain rule. So what will be f dash x? Log of log x will be 1 by log x. Log x is 1 by log x again into 1 by x. So this is the value of f dash x. But what is asked? It is asked for f dash e. That is, what is the value of x? That means I need to find the value of f dash x at x equal to e. So let us put e here. So 1 by log e into 1 by e. But the value of log e is how much? The value of log e is 1. So what is my answer? 1 by e, which can be written as e to the power minus 1, which can be written as e to the power minus 1. So the correct option is A. The correct option is A, right? Now let us come to the second question. Second question is quite simple. A differential equation is given, x equal to 1 plus dy by dx plus 1 by 2 factorial dy by dx square plus 1 by 3 factorial dy by dx cube plus dot 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 dot. Here dot dot is given means it will go up to infinite. It will go up to infinite. So we cannot determine the degree of this differential equation. Can we determine? Because degree is what? It is the highest power of the differential. So the highest power of the differential, here it is 1, here it is 2, here it is 3, we cannot know. So the answer is not defined. The answer is not defined, right? Let's go to the next question. Right. The symmetric part of the matrix 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 2 minus 2, 7. The formula for finding out the symmetric part is A plus A transpose by 2. The symmetric part formula is A plus A transpose divided by 2, right? So this is the value of A given. So how to find the value of A transpose? By changing rows to corresponding columns. So 1, 2, 4 will write like this. First row to first column, then 6, 8, 2, then 2 minus 2, 7. Right. So this is the value of A transpose. Now what I need to find? A plus A transpose by 2. Let us first find what is the value of A plus A transpose. Let us add this matrix and this matrix. We can add these two matrix A plus A transpose. So 1 plus 1 becomes 2, 2 plus 6 becomes 8, 4 plus 2 becomes 6, 6 plus 2 becomes 8, 8 plus 8 becomes 16, 2 minus 2 becomes 0, 2 plus 4, 6, 0 and 14. So this is the value of A plus A transpose. But what I need to find out? I need to find out the symmetric part. So we'll take the half of this. So half of 2, 8, 6, 8, 16, 0, 6, 0, 14. So my final answer is 1, 4, 3, 4, 8, 0, 3, 0, 7. Right. So my correct answer is option D. Right. See, so straightforward question are there in MCQs which you can easily solve. Let's go to the next question. The next question is from which chapter, children? The next question is from which chapter? It is from integration, right? This question is from integration. Now how to solve this question? We have to first simplify what is given in the bracket. We have to first simplify what is given in the bracket. So what is the formula of a minus b whole square? So a minus b whole square we know, a square plus b square minus 2ab. So my first work is to solve this bracket. So what will I get? Integration of root x square. Root x square is x. Then 1 by root x square is 1 by x. Then 2 into root x into 1 by root x. So root x cancel, how much will I get? Only 2. So integration of x plus 1 by x minus 2. X plus 1 by x minus 2. Now what is the integration of x? We all know it is how much? X square by 2. What is the integration of 1 by x? It is log x. And what is the integration of minus 2? It's minus 2x plus c. It is how much? Minus 2x plus c. So which is my answer? My answer is option A. My answer is option A, log of mod x. Okay. My answer is option A. Let's go to the next question. This question is a fundamental question based on two chapters. One is differential equation and second one is you should have a preliminary idea about the equation of a circle, right? Now please remember the equation of the circle is somewhat like this: x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. This is the equation of the circle in general form. The important thing which will be applied in this question will be the coefficient of x square and y square should be same. The coefficient of x square and y square should be same. So this represents the equation of a circle only when the coefficient of x square and y square should be same. If not same, how can we divide the same number to get x square and y square coefficient to be 1? So whenever you will represent the equation of a circle in general form, please remember x square and y square coefficient should be same or should be equal to 1. Now how to do this question then? This question is a differential equation because dy by dx equal to ax plus g by by plus c. If we will solve this question, we have to go for variable separation because you can easily see by plus f I can take to the left side and ax plus g dx I will take to this side. So what will I get? By plus f into dy will be equal to ax plus g into dx, right? After this, what is the next step? We have to go for integrating both sides. We have to go for integrating both sides. If we will go for integrating both sides, integration of by plus f dy will be equal to integration of ax plus g dx, right? So what is the integration of by? Integration of by is by square by 2 with respect to y. Then what is the integration of f dy? F is a constant, so dy integration is only y. Then what is the integration of ax dx? Ax integration is x square by 2. Similarly, g dx integration, it is gx. It is gx. Now see how the equation of circle should look like. One side should be 0. One side should be 0. So this to look like a circle, what I will do is I will take everything to the right side. So what will I get? Ax square by 2 minus by square by 2 plus gx minus fy is equal to 0. Ax square by 2 minus by square by 2 plus gx minus fy equal to 0. Now what I told, the coefficient of x square and y square should be same. The coefficient of x square and y square should be same. Coefficient of x square should be equal to coefficient of y square. What is the reason? It is a equation of the circle. So what is the coefficient of x square here? The coefficient of x square is a by 2 and the coefficient of y square is minus b by 2. Yes or no? So both should be equal. That means a by 2 should be equal to minus b by 2. So 2 and 2 cancel. So what I got? A equal to minus b. A equal to minus b is my answer. My answer is a equal to minus b. All of you got? Sure? Right? Okay. This question was from differential equation. In MCQs, you will get questions from all chapters. All chapters has got equal weightage. So from each chapter, you will get some questions. Simple questions will be there, but it requires a little bit of practice. And you have to solve and get the answer. Let's go to the next question. Okay, this question is of same type. dy by dx equal to e to the power y ex e minus x plus 2x. This question is also on differential equation. If you will see question number 8, it is exactly the same type as that. There what we are doing? You are finding the value of a and b in order to represent circle. Here directly question what is asked? Here directly question what is asked? Find the general solution of this differential equation. This you can do very easily. See, same type of question I am doing, question number 8 first. Okay, so I can take e to the power y this side. So 1 by e to the power y dy. Then dx I will take that side equal to e to the power x plus e to the power minus x plus 2x whole integration dx. I did integrating both sides also. After separating the variables, I have to do integration. I am doing in one step because it is a short question. So what is the integration of 1 by e to the power y? E to the power y means e to the power minus y I can write is equal to integration of e to the power x plus e to the power minus x plus 2x dx. Right. Now what is the integration of e to the power minus y? What is the integration of e to the power y dy? It's only e to the power y. So what is the integration of e to the power minus y? E to the power minus y by minus 1. Yes or no? So e to the power minus y by minus 1. I told you if integration of e to the power x, if integration of e to the power x dx is equal to e to the power x, then integration of e to the power ax plus b dx will be how much? A into, not a, 1 by a into e to the power ax plus b. Please remember, if x is replaced by ax plus b, then what I will do? I will just divide that 1 by a into e to the power ax plus b. Similarly, what is the integration of e to the power x? It is only e to the power x. Then what is the integration of e to the power minus x? E to the power minus x by minus 1. E to the power minus x by minus 1. Then what is the integration of 2x? What is the integration of 2x? 2 into x square by 2. It is how much? 2 into x square by 2 plus c. Right. So this is my answer. But see here, nowhere minus e to the power y is written. Here my minus sign is coming, but nowhere what is coming? Minus sign is there. So what I will do is 2 and 2 I am cancelling. I am multiplying minus 1 on both sides. I am multiplying minus 1 on both sides. So what will I get? E to the power minus y is equal to how much? E to the power x, this becomes negative. Then e to the power minus x, it becomes positive. X square becomes negative plus c. Am I getting an answer or not? See the which option is correct? Minus e to the power minus x plus e to the power minus x square plus c. Answer is not D. e to power minus y equal to minus, this is the answer. Answer is C. Okay. Then let's go to the previous question. Okay. Now question number 9. This question is from which chapter? Say, this question is from which chapter? Vectors. And quite a simple and straightforward question. This represents which vector? Unit vector. This represents which vector? Unit vector. Okay. Now what exactly is a unit vector? It is a vector which has magnitude how much? 1. What is the magnitude of any unit vector? Unit vector magnitude is always equal to how much? 1. Right. Then how to find the magnitude of this vector? This vector can be written as 3 lambda I cap plus 2 lambda j cap minus 6 lambda k cap. This is my vector, no? 3 lambda I cap plus 2 lambda j cap minus 6 lambda k cap. How to find the magnitude of vector? If a vector is a I cap plus b j cap plus c k cap, then the magnitude is equal to how much? Square root of a square plus b square plus c square. So what is the magnitude of this vector? Square root of 3 lambda square plus 2 lambda square plus minus 6 lambda square. And its magnitude should be equal to how much? Magnitude should be equal to how much? It should be equal to 1. This should be equal to 1. So 3 lambda square is how much? It is 9 lambda square. This is how much? 4 lambda square. This is how much? 36 lambda square, and this should be equal to 1. Right, this should be equal to 1. So 9 plus 4, 13, 13 plus 36, 49. So 49 lambda square, 49 lambda square equal to 1. So lambda square equal to how much? 1 upon 49. So lambda will be how much? Square root of 1 upon 49. So lambda equal to plus or minus 1 by 7. It will be equal to plus or minus 1 by 7. So this is my answer.